Okay, it's time to feed my doggies. That's the dog food, and I'm gonna put some turkey breast. Ito yung ginagamit na na pang sandwich, turkey sandwich. But this is what I feed them. Ready? Para may lasa naman yung kanilang dog food. Alright, so now their food is ready. So it's time now to go and feed them. Oh, yun. Kunin ko pa yung iba. Yung isa pa. And this is the other one. For you, Bubbles. Oh, yan. Kasi lagi sinosolo nito. Itong matakaw, sinosolo lang niya lagi. Sige na nga. Kain na, baby ko. Naiyak ko po. Sige na. Tapos after that, sabay tulog. Okay, dogs. Oh, nakikiramdam muna. Oh. Ayan, inagawan na, oh. Sige na, baby. Oh. Sige na. Sige na. Shh, tama na. Uy. Tama na. Takaw mo. Oh, dito ko na lang pakainin sa labas. Sige na, baby. Sige na. Come on. Sige na. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. Natakot kasi siya. Lagi yung nakakawan. Come on.